palace you went away, straight from high school left me. We were close friends, also did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here. Now I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me, can you feel me?
Had a thing for somebody and it was just so deep, and you wanted to tell her so, but you just couldn't find the words. Listen,
I've been waiting all day for you, babe. So won't you come and sit and talk to me and tell me how we're gonna be together always. Hope you know that when it's late at night, I hold on to my pillow tight. You think of how you promised me forever. I never thought that anyone could make me feel this way. Now that you're here, boy, all I want is just a chance to say, hey, get out right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late now, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her, and I wonder how I bought all the lies. You said that you would treat me right, but you was just a waste of time. Tell me why you're looking so confused when I'm the one who didn't know the truth. How could you ever be so cold to go behind my back and call my friend? Boy, you must have gone and bumped your head because you left a number on your phone. So now after all is said and done, maybe I'm the one to blame, but to think that you could be the one